In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your ClickUp plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confidently navigate the billing area so you can choose a lower tier that fits your needs. I'll walk you through the path inside your workspace, point out labels you might see, and show you how to view pricing by month or year so you can make the best decision before confirming any change. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to your main workspace view. From here, focus on the top left area of your screen. This is where your workspace controls live, including access to settings and billing. If you're managing multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one whose plan you want to adjust. It's easy to overlook which workspace is active, and changes apply only to the one you have selected. Next, click on your workspace section in that top left corner. This opens the area where you can manage workspace level options. It's important to note that billing lives at the workspace level, not the personal profile level. If you're not seeing what I'm showing, you may be in your personal settings or a different workspace, or you may not have the required permissions. Typically, owners or admins manage billing, so if you don't see the billing option, double-check your role or ask an admin to grant you the right access. Once you're in your workspace area, choose Settings. This is where ClickUp groups all the administrative tools that affect your workspace and team. You'll see options for things like General Settings, Members, Security, and more. We're heading to Billing, so we need to scroll within this menu to find it. Take a moment here to get a feel for the layout. It makes it easier to come back later if you ever want to adjust your plan again. Scroll down through the Settings menu and look for Billing. Depending on your current setup, this may also be labeled as Upgrade. Don't let that confuse you. ClickUp sometimes routes all plan management, including downgrades, through the same place. Whether it says Billing or Upgrade, both lead to the area where you can manage your subscription. If you see Upgrade, click it anyway. You'll still reach the page where you can review plan tiers and make changes. Now go ahead and click Billing. This takes you to the dedicated billing page for your workspace. Here you'll typically see your current subscription details, your renewal date, the number of seats in use, and the available plan options. This is your control center for moving to a lower tier. Before you make any change, take a minute to scan what's included in your current plan. It helps you anticipate which features might not be available on a lower tier, so you can plan accordingly. At the top of the billing page, you'll usually see a toggle to view plans by monthly or yearly billing. Click Monthly to see the month-to-month pricing and any differences in plan availability for monthly terms. This view is helpful if you want more flexibility, or you're testing a lower plan